Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid kong star viewers? So, ang reading natin ngayon is about your March. No, ito yung magaganap or prediction sa inyong buwan ng Marso. Malapit ng Marso. Yung iba dito is, um, ano, para bang nanonood ng Netflix. Tapos, napahinto lang dahil, nakita yung ano ko, yung notification na nag-post ako. Anyway, very specific, no? So, kaway-kaway naman dyan sa nanonood ng Netflix or movie. And salamat dahil napahinto kayo at pinanood nyo muna ito bago kayo nagpatuloy sa pinapanood ninyo. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa pagtangkilik mga kapatid kong star viewers na nandito ano, sa aking YouTube channel at sa aking Facebook fan page, maraming salamat din po. Check na lang po dito sa description below about my Facebook fan page. Hindi naman po ako palagi nagpo-post sa aking Facebook fan page. Again, guys, hindi talaga ako ano sa social media. Nag-update, no? So, yeah, tamad lang ang peg or talagang ewan ko ba, nadidrain kasi yung energy ko pag palagi akong tutok na tutok sa social media or sa Facebook, Instagram, or whatever posting ng mga tao. So, yeah. Mas focus na lang po ako sa trabaho ko ngayon, pamilya, yun lang. Family and myself. Yeah, so ang dami kasing toxic na ngayon sa sa mga social media, no? Nakaka-drain ng energy kaya minsan pagod na pagod ka, bigla kang aburido dahil nakukuha mo yung energy nila. And this could be you as well, no? So that's me na madali kong nakukuha yung energy ng ibang tao even sa social media. So I choose not to go on Facebook or anything na mga toxic, alam kong toxic kasi alam kong nakukuha ko yung mga energy nila, nasisense ko and nadidrain, nakaka-drain talaga. Anyway, kamusta kayong lahat dito? Shout out sa mga subscribers, as mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na po kayo at again sa mga cross-watcher, yes, subscribe na po kayo para po next time ay masali kayo sa ating ano dito sa Sage, no? Kasi before I do tarot reading mga kapatid, nagpapausok muna ako ng sage at pinipray ko yung mga subscribers ko dito, naway magabayan kayo palagi and maprotektahan kayo energetically, emotionally, financially, mentally, physically, and everything, no? So, yeah, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe ka na para masali ka sa mga prayers natin every day, every time I do tarot reading videos, no? Para masali ka sa mga prayers ko dito, no? Or cleansing the energy. So, yeah, kamusta kayong lahat? So, alamin na natin ang iyong prediction. Ganap ng iyong March, mga warnings and good news. Ay, Spirit Guides, ano ang ganap ng ating mga subscribers dito for the month of March? Kamusta sila for the month of March? Oh my God, meron tong physically, emotionally tired. Meron tong sumusurrender na. Okay? An ending. This could be an ending of, okay. I'm getting like may mag-end dito for the month of March. An ending of relationship or emotionally somehow something about nag-end dito sa inyo, no? Sumuko ka na or susuko ka na. You will have this realization for the month of March na tapos na, whatever it is, relationship, physically sa trabaho, tapos ka na, pagod ka na, susuko ka na, whatever circumstances or situation that you are in right now. Again, this is timeless, no? Whenever you watch this reading, yung iba dito, before March, mapanood mo na ito. Yung iba naman is during March. Yes, you are feeling tired, surrender, ending. Yes. Kasi meron dito na, it could be personally, no, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, sa exes ninyo, or physically, pagod na kayo, gusto mo na sumuko, and it's okay. Let go, let God. It's better to surrender how you feel and move forward. Kasi meron itong emotionally, mentally, physically tired, drained for the month of March. So guys, for the month of March, it's okay to let go and let God. Surrender for the month of March. I-surrender nyo na ito. Especially if you are still holding on from your exes, surrender this. Surrender na this. Sabihin mo na lang, surrender na me. I'm done. I finally have this realization. I'm done. I choose myself and my children, my loved ones, whatever you do. My career, surrender. for the month of March. Okay? And I'm also getting like that you could be surrendered about your stability. Again, guys, laban lang for the month of March. Huwag tayong susuko. I know it's too much na, no? Kasi meron dito na, ma'am, pagod na po ako, physically, emotionally. It's part of your journey. Again, hindi tayo bibigyan ni universe ng mga pagsubok sa buhay kung hindi natin kakayanin. You just have to stay strong and always think the future. Yung mga tao sa paligid mo na anong tawag dito na umaasa pa rin sa'yo, paano na lang sila? Lalong-lalo na pag-aaral mo, sino nagpapaaral sa'yo, or sa future mo, kung hindi ka mag-aaral ng mabuti, ano magiging future mo? I know it's too much, for the month of March. Drain ka, physically drained, emotionally drained, something na feeling drained ka. Just think about your future. Paano na lang itong mga anak mo na umaasa sa iyo? So, you have to stay strong. This is not the right time to surrender. I know you are feeling surrender, no, for the month of March, but then again, this is the time for you to let go and let God surrender what you have, emotionally, mentally. Kung kailangan mo mag-relax ka. Kailangan din ng katawan mo iyon. I know, opportunity ito, madam, ganito, ganyan, kapatid. Ma'am Star, surrender, hindi po ako basta-basta magsusurrender kasi sayang itong opportunity, pera na po ito. Hey, you need to listen your body. Pakinggan mo ang iyong pangangatawan, ang iyong emosyon. Kaya pa ba talaga? Especially sa relationship, kaya pa talaga? Kasi ilang beses ka nang nasaktan and you are still holding on for this emotional baggage. Physically tired. You need to let go, let God. Keep moving forward. Focus on who you really care. Care about yourself. Pakinggan ang iyong sarili. Loving yourself. And think about the people around you na umaasa pa sa iyo. Andyan pa sila. Do not give it all out. Huwag mong ibigay lahat-lahat. Pati kaluluwa na binigay ko na po ka Satanas para lang po masuportahan itong mga walang kwentang tao. I don't know, this is very specific message here na kukuha ko sa energy reading na ito for the month of March. I don't know why you are stuck in this situation. If you have to leave, kung kailangan mong umalis sa trabahong ito dahil physically, emotionally, pagod ka na, then go. Pakinggan mo ang iyong intuition, ang iyong pakiramdam. Are you happy with that? Whatever makes you happy, then go. Choose yourself and your future. Think about it. Again, this is collective general reading. Kunin nyo lang guys kung saan ka nakakasulit. Kung hindi naman, huwag nyong lahatin dahil para yun sa iba. Okay? Yeah. So again, kung aalis kayo ng ibang trabaho, kailangan talaga may extra option kayo. Extra savings. Or second demotion, ano ba yan? Hindi naman second demotion. Second opinion or whatever second. Kasi collective ito, marami ako nakukuha ang energy dito sa inyo eh. Alright? Huwag kayong aalis ng trabaho ninyo ngayon kung wala naman kayong second option. Kailangan talaga na may second option pa kayo. Huwag kayo agad-agad magdesisyon nang wala pa namang kasunod na hakbang. Lalong-lalo na't kung may mga pinapag-aaralan kayo or sinusuportahan, or huwag kayong bibili ng kung ano-ano kung wala naman kayong budget. Wala talagang kakainin ng pamilya mo, wala ka na rin kakainin. Kailangan magtira-tira din para sa inyo. Again, very specific, huwag mong ibigay lahat. Magtira ka rin para sa iyo. Very specific message for you here sa ating mga collective. Okay, for the month of March. Alright, ano yung mga warning? Spirit Angels, warning for my collective for the month of March. Warning. Anong dapat nilang iwasan tungkol saan ito? Mga warning. Okay, warning about the lovers, partnership, relationship, communication. Okay. This could be about your partner. Okay. Again, warning, if you have to let go, if you are feeling drained, emotionally distressed or abuse, siguro sinasaktan ka physically, guy, girl, kapatid, huwag kang magdadalawang isip iwanan itong taong ito. Kung physically sinasaktan ka na nito, or even in the future, kung physically sasaktan ka ng taong ito, you need to leave. Huwag mong isipin na, sino na, ganito, ganyan, paano nang gagawin ko sa future ko, ganito. Hey, this is about your safety. Huwag mo lang isipin yung finances or something like that. Marami pang options dyan. Mag-pray ka. Humingi ka sa Panginoon ng tulong. Especially when it comes to this crisis. Hindi ka bibigyan ni universe ng tulong, gabay, kung hindi ito nararapat. Alright? Especially for this situation, no? Whatever situation you are in during this month of March, kasi may nakukuha ko itong, you will be meeting a new person. So again, the reason na makipag-break up ka siguro sa person mo or aalis ka sa isang sitwasyon, relationship, sa school, or whatever, friendship, what you call is it, negosyo, trabaho, because there will be something new na ibibigay ng universe para sa iyo. Huwag manghinayang kung hindi para sa inyo. Okay? Because this will be a huge help for you from the universe. Malaking tulong ito ni universe na ibibigay sa inyo. Something about na may nag-i-end, meron namang new beginning. So, hindi mo kawalan. As long as wala kang ginawang masama sa isang tao, no? Hindi mo kawalan para magstay sa isang sitwasyon na ito na lahat binigay mo na, hindi ka pa rin naman minamahal, hindi ka tinuturing na tao, or hindi ka na-appreciate ng taong ito. You need to let go and open your heart to a new beginning, new possibilities, new options. Isang hiling mo lang kay universe, ibibigay yan ng universe sa'yo if it's meant for you. If it's meant to be, meant to be. Wag kang mag-suffer sa isang sitwasyon na hindi naman talaga para sa iyo. Yeah, very specific. Because the universe want, kung hinihiling mo itong gusto ko na po mag-move on, gusto ko ng new beginning, clarity, whatever it is, you need to let go. Emotionally, mentally, let go. Or physically, let go. Whatever. Because ito, meron kang makikilalang bago. Again, if you are in a relationship, exes, let go. Because there is something new coming in, especially for the month of March. Karamihan sa dito, you will be receiving a new sign, senyales from the universe, na you will be meeting this new person, a soulmate, or new job, a new idea, an answer from the universe. So again, kung ano man mag-e-end sa inyo, whatever situation is that gonna be for the month of March, let it go because there will be something new na ibibigay ng universe para sa inyo. New replacement. Okay? So open your heart, yourself to a new beginning, new option, another option. Humingi kayo kay universe, to our Almighty Creator, sa ating Panginoon, anong option ang ibibigay niyo sa akin? Bigyan niyo ako ng clarity, sagot. Okay? Kung hinihingi niyo na makipag-break up na sa taong ito na sinasaktan kayo, hindi kayo na-appreciate, then go. Let go. If you are emotionally, physically drained. Or friendship, family members, whoever they are. Again, this is collective, guys. Kunin nyo lang. Whatever situation you are in, feeling na mag-i-end, tapos na, surrender ka na, ayaw mo na, then let go because the universe will give you something new beginning for the month of March. So, that would be a good news and a bad news, So, wag matakot sa mga nag-e-end sa buwan ng Marso because there will be new beginning for you, a fresh start for you for the month of March. Ano pa? Ano pang dapat nilang malaman for the month of March? Spirit guide angels. Anong dapat nilang malaman for the month of March prediction? You have a heart of gold. You guys are very kind, generous, matulungin. Look for a sign again. The universe been giving you signs, especially for the month of March. It's gonna be strongly receiving this sign, mga sinyalis na ibibigay the universe for you for the month of March. Ano pa, Spirit Angels? Okay. Oh. Someone is going to borrow money. So yes, meron dito mangungutang, manghihiram. It's up to you. Again, wag nyong lahatin para hindi kayo ma-scam or at least may naiwan pa sa inyo. It's okay to help, but then again, wag nyong lahatin or ibigay lahat-lahat ang sabihin natin pera or emosyon, lahat-lahat, no? Whatever it is, para naman hindi kayo mag-expect lalo for the month of March and then later on, hindi pala mangyayari. And then yun, no? Na-scam pala kayo or naloko kayo or unexpected na mangyari na feeling betrayed, whatever it is. So, kailangan talaga mag-iwan kayo, magtira kayo para sa sarili ninyo. Finances, trust, okay, or energy. Alright? So, your soulmate is thinking about you. So, yes, there will be more communication when it comes to month of March with you and your soulmate. Okay? Someone is admiring you. Stop overreacting. Okay? Someone or something annoys you. So, be careful and control your emotions, your mentally. Yeah, emotion and mentality, no? So, and guys, when you make jokes, no, or when you make fun, or whatever words na lalabas inyong bibig, or actions, you know, that you are doing, especially for the month of March, be careful, be sensitive naman, para naman, wala tayong naapakang tao. Kung ayaw nyo masaktan, then be sensitive, para naman, hindi rin masaktan yung kapwa ninyo. Okay, so growing older is not something to worry about. Like again, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa, lalong-lalo na sa inyong katawan, sa looks ninyo. Uminom kayo ng maraming tubig or make sure you are taking your medicines, mga gamot, vitamins. Siguro kailangan nyo rin ng vitamins or mga something about energy drink para mas lalo kayong malakas, no? Active. Yes, kumain kayo ng mga masustansyang pagkain. That's because for the month of March, there will be so much going on for you physically and emotionally. Alright? Karamihan sa dito, you will be feeling drained for the month of March. So mag-ingat, if you're going to sleep or tired, kailangan talagang mapahinga kayo, matulog kayo, and wag po kayong mahiyang matulog or magpahinga dahil kailangan yan ng katawan ninyo. Okay? So, follow your instinct, follow your feelings. Yeah. Kailangan mag-relax. Okay. At huwag kayong mag-worry kung may mag-e-end na situation because there will be something new, no? Whenever you ask from the universe, tulong, prayers, the universe there, no? Para bigyan kayo ng option or tulong, gabay, no? Para ma-replace itong mga sakit, tiredness, whatever it is na na-stuck kayo. Okay, kasi there will be replacement for that. So, wag kayong matakot guys for an ending. Kung may mag-i-end, there will be something new na darating sa inyo. Kung hindi para sa inyo, hindi talaga para sa inyo. Alright? So, ano pa? Final message from your spirit animals? Sana ba yung... Okay, spirit animals. Oh, you know what? Before that, ask any question and the answer will be yes or no. Pause mo na yung video and the answer will be yes or no. Magtanong kayo ng question. Alright, spirit can just yes or no for my collective. Yes or no? Okay, so we have here yes. Wish fulfillment, hope, inspiration. You will be feeling inspired. So, kailangan talaga kalmahin ang iyong sarili. Mag-relax kayo, magmuni-muni kayo. If you have to, siguro kailangan mong magpamasahe, magpapamper, magpasalon. Kailangan mo rin siguro ng time with your loved ones, pamilya, or friends. So, it's time, no? It's time to detach yourself away from this toxic environment lalong-lalo na sa buwan ng Marso. Kung kailangan mo na mag-day off ka, go sleep, magpahinga ka, mag-relax, magpa-pamper, or go out with your loved ones, with your children, friends, or family. Kailangan mo to para hindi ka ma-overthink, ma-drain, keep yourself grounded, and do not let anybody, toxic people na mahawa yung energy o ma-drain ka. So, again, for the month of March, we have here, yes, serenity, positivity, faith. So again, renewal, there will be a renewal, new beginning, all right? Healing. So you deserve this healing para makapag-move forward na kayo, no, makapag-move on na. So final message from your spirit animals, please. Spirit guiding, just final message for my beloved ones. For my collective. Elk, nobility. Celebrate your accomplishment with humility. You are crowned with success. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. So yes, you guys will conquer this success. So para po maging successful kayo, you just have to stay strong. Follow you're like a leader type, no? Maraming taong nakatingin sa iyo, nag-a-admire sa iyo, listening, hearing all your advices, or again, you guys are more on a leader type. Maraming nakatingin sa iyo, or hearing, or ano ba yun? Siguro check nila yung social media mo, kung ano yung post mo, or anong ganap mo. So whatever it is, you have this leader type. So a lot of people are being ang nasabi ko na kanina, ang tawag nito, the star, inspired. Maraming taong inspired about you, what you do. So ipagpatuloy mo lang. Kung nakakarinig kayo ng mga negativity vibes, mga low vibration, or instead na ma-inspired kayo para bang hinahatak kayo pababa, do not let that energy to pull you down. Alright? Keep your high vibration and protect yourself. Manalangin ka, mag-meditate ka, and do not let these people to ruin you. Masira ka, no? So keep going, keep fighting, kasi the more na ginagawa mo ito, malayo ka sa mga negative vibes, no? Toxic people, relationship. You just again follow your instinct, because your instinct is guiding you towards the right path. There might be more challenges, but again, it's part of your journey. Sa daang tinatahak mo, parte lang ito. And I know you are strong enough to get through all of these challenges. I know you are strong, and the universe is guiding you, protecting you, and sending you signs. So pay attention to that. So hanggang dito na mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. I love you guys. Please leave your comment below what you think about this reading. And maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay nyo sa aking The Star Talking Tarot YouTube channel. As sa mga na-subscribe, maraming salamat. And pasensya na kung hindi man ako palagi nagko-comment or nagre-response sa mga messages ninyo. But then again, know that nababasa ko rin po yung ibang mga mensahe nyo doon. And thank you, at mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Bye!